Hey Grow Fam, how is everybody today? I'm here to just show you something really quick to demonstrate how your Walmart pumpkin 3D planters are going to come in and how easy it is for you to assemble them on your grower lines. First and foremost, I'm going to show you this pumpkin in Persimmon orange. This pumpkin is already assembled, and if you look inside, it actually even has some guiders to help you. Also, if you look around the entire side of the pumpkin, it has different widths of grooves, so it's very easy to assemble this once you put it together. The pumpkin will come to you in two pieces on a skid. It will come as a bottom and a top piece. One piece will look like this, which looks like it has a chimney, and it also has holes, and it has guiders inside around the sides. The second piece to this is the bottom piece that we're going to snap onto the top in just a moment, and it also has 4 holes that you can use as guiders. If I take this piece over to the pumpkin, I'm going to add this and just look for the pieces that fit best together to guide it together and snap. Once I turn this piece, you can see inside it's seamless. Looks great, 3D, ready to go to drop into one of your, drop your shuttle pot right inside of the pumpkin. These are 7.5 inch shuttle pots, and you can just drop that in, and as you can see, that fits beautifully inside of the pumpkin. You're good to go.